having you here. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we'll be making fluffy white line donuts. So let's get started. I add in milk. I add in sugar and yeast. And I stir this to mix well. I break in one large egg. Stir in. Combine properly. I add in the flour and salt. Then I mix this in. I'll knead this with my hands. Get it to this point. I add in butter. I knead it in. I'll transfer this to my work surface. And I'll knead this for 25 minutes. Getting a well-kneaded dough is where your fluffy donuts with white lines will come from. Be diligent to knead for 25 minutes. At first, it might be sticking to your finger, but do not be tempted to add more flour. So this is 25 minutes later and the dough is softer. We are going to allow the dough to rest for 15 minutes. I'll cover and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I sprinkle little flour I'll roll it out. Sprinkling the flour will help it not to stick to the rolling pin. I'm using this cutter. You can use any cutter. You dip it in flour so that it wouldn't be sticking. Remove this excess for another batch. So I'll dip this into a little flour so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Just a little flour. I'll cover and allow this rest for 1 hour. 1 hour later, our dough has doubled in size. Let's go ahead and fry. In a dry pan on heat, I add in oil. For this, your oil has to be on low heat so that the dough doesn't burn. So I pick it gently and start into the oil. It should be floating on the oil like this. We'll fry this for 2 minutes on low heat on both sides. Emphasis on low heat. Now you drain it out on a ready serviette paper. I add in jam to my piping bag. Then with my skewer, I make an opening. Then insert the piping bag and fill it up. Our donuts are ready. I hope you try this recipe. Please let me know in the comment section how it came out for you. Please like this video. Also share this video. You can also subscribe to my channel to get more contents like this. So here is a sneak peek of our jam donuts. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.